Hey guys, today let us explore bullet chart in Qliksense. So I have this data set, got few employee names and their corresponding sales and their target. Okay, so let's visualize this using a bullet chart. So how each employee is performing, right? How much sales they have achieved when compared to their target, and let's see how to visualize that. So let me start by adding the dimension, which is my employee name. My main measure is my total sales. Okay, I will delete this to get some space. So within this total sales, I have something called target, where I will define my target. My target is my sales target field, right? Sum of sales target. Okay, so target is what you see as this horizontal black line. Now let me enable the segments. So we will add some limits. We'll add some segments to give some meaningful colors to differentiate. Okay, so let's say my sales, if my sales is uh, beyond target, right, I'll give some green color, some green shade, and let's say this is the middle portion, some amber color, orangish color. Okay, and if my sales is very poor or below reasonable value, then let me mark it with some reddish based color. Okay, so now I have three segments. Now let's define the ranges. Okay, so the top portion, right? So I can click on this and I could see what is the value defined over here. So let me click on the top portion and let's add a custom measure here. So my top portion is actually my sales target uh, plus some value. Okay, let's say one or two, some dummy value, and my middle, yeah, this portion I say 80%. Okay, if I achieved 80%, that is zero point 0.8 multiplied by my sum of sales target. So if I was able to achieve at least 80%, then I would club this into this category, the middle portion. Okay, so okay, yeah, so let me disable this zero values. There are some employees with the zero target. Okay, let me ignore them. So all I have this bullet chart, okay, with all the employees. So when I hover over, I could see what's the total sales, the blue bar, against the target, the black bar, 360k, 356. So which is obviously well near to the target, but not above the target, but still falls greater than 80% of the target. So it falls in this orange bar, right? So this is 267, which is more than 80%. But here, if you see 266 out of 340 target, right? So it falls into this red. So by looking at this chart, right, I can clearly see which employees and how they perform against their target, whether they are above target or below target, or they fall into 80, but they are achieving 80% of the target. So this gives us a clear picture, right? So that's how bullet chart works. Let's go through few options. So I have value labels. If you want, you can enable it. It looks awkward, so I'm just switching it off. And as usual, we have color options. We have x-axis, y-axis. So I can define color for my target, for my bar, right? So hope we got some basic understanding about bullet chart. Please do let me know in the comment section for any clarification. Thanks for watching.